County governments, based on the Constitution of Kenya 2010, are the ones who are responsible for solid waste management in all the 47 counties. And having decided to work in Mombasa, then we needed to work very closely to understand the plans by the county and to align our work packages around what are the priorities for the county. Huge impact projects cannot just be done by one institution like WWF. You need to leverage on resources, expertise, and also the availability of teams on the ground to actually make it work.
We are doing a pilot project with the WWF courtesy of COPIP, and this project seeks to get into households and introduce the segregation system.
The green one, the recyclables, the plastics, the cartons, and anything that you can recycle. For the black one, the organic or the kitchen waste. And then for the orange one, you put the residual waste, ambazo zinafaa ziende kwenye landfill.
So let's be responsible, all of us. Management of waste is a collective responsibility.
Let's make good use of the bins, the tuk-tuks, the PPEs, and everything, and ensure that our city is clean.
We are optimistic that with our donation today of 16,000 bin liners, that it will go a long way in ensuring that the waste is segregated as it should be.
I would like to appreciate the important role from private sector, producer responsibility organization, recyclers, waste service providers, community-led groups, and informal waste sector that continue to play a very big part in the waste management.
So in selecting the two locations of Mvita and Likoni, we looked at the two important parameters around household income and also how well they are serviced or they receive waste service provision.
The importance of this project specifically on the dump site is that what we are doing is that we want to understand the amount of waste that is of recyclables. So in this way, this project has been implemented in a way that we have brought in place, at first of course the waste generators, then we have brought on board the recyclers, including those who are doing BSFs within the county, so that as we move waste from the point of generation, if it's plastics, they go directly to recyclers. So that way, then we are reducing the amount of waste that is being found within our dump sites.
Na sisi hapa Likoni kubebaji wa taka kutoka kwa manyumba zile ambazo tumezilenga kwa mradi wa majaribio ni nyumba 300 ambazo zimetapakaa katika sub-county, katika ward ya Timbwani. Katika mradi wa majaribio ni mambo mengi tunaangalia, kwa hiyo inatubidi zile taka tunazobeba katika ile hali iliyo, either ni hiyo taka ya maji ambayo inaoza haraka, ama ni ile taka nyingine hapo inaitwa recyclable ambayo unaweza kuitumia kwa matumizi mengine ama tukaiuza kwa wale wanazihitaji tukapata kipato. Lazima pia tupime tujue ni aina gani ya taka ambayo inazalishwa katika jamii yetu ya Likoni.
There has, however, been a bit of laxity with some of the households who are not embracing it fully, and those ones, based on the spot checks that we've conducted, have continuously needed some being urged on, some more capacity building, some more sensitization, so that they are able to appreciate that it's not like it was in the past where they would segregate waste at source, but right at their doorstep, the waste is mixed and taken all the way to the dump site.
Theatre is a powerful communication tool because it allows us space to relay information in a relatable language, in a relatable setting.
Kwa sai jamii kutupa taka zao pale mahali wanaweka taka zao ni pale mahali wataona kwao kwa manufaa aidha kwa magofu ama kwenye njia za maji.
Rasta ametupa pampas.
Jamani, mume wangu si pampas hizi.
Kwa hii play leo nimejifunza tu vitu mingi. Nimejifunza kufanya segregation. Pia nimejifunza kwamba lazima tukuwe na bin tatu ya kuweka dry waste, solid waste na kuweka hazard waste.
Kwa hakika pale WWF wametoa, ningependa kutoa shukrani zetu nyingi za dhati kwa niaba ya jamii nzima ya Likoni kwa vile wametutoa mbali tangu sisi ambao tunashughulika na hizo kazi za takataka, kutuhamasisha na kuona thamani ya taka, na pia vile vile paka tumefika tumeona ametusaidia pia kuhamasisha jamii katika mbinu njema ama mbinu nzuri za kuhifadhi taka zao.
Waste management or sustainable waste management for that matter starts with me. And how does it start with me? It starts with how I handle that waste within my own household, so that I can be able to have a voice to engage my waste service provider. So as the pilot tapers off to an end, and of course funded by the European Investment Bank, there is the feasibility study that is ongoing or that will be concluded, and hopefully the lessons learned within this copy pilot can then be utilized to make now those grander decisions around making sure that the whole of Mombasa embraces segregation of waste at source. Going forward, for a lot of our partners and even the government, the county government of Mombasa and even the national government, because all these learnings are critical and we are in almost a same demography. So whatever lessons here can be applied in Nakuru, Kisumu or any other jurisdiction.